Hi, Jody Dave here. Another day down allotment. Me and Rob were down yesterday and we got some cane trees, bamboo. So we put a couple of them in, we've got some more to put in. And what I'm hoping to do today is clearing the area around the pond so I can get the pond pump in. And as I see, there's two bamboos to go in, so if we can get them in today as well, so I'll give you a quick look around. There's one of the bamboos. There's my rhubarb growing well. Apple tree. The other bamboo, that one's going to go in, and we've got one over there. So as I'm saying, I want to get this ready to get the black, so I'm going to get the figgy, clear this grass up around the pond, then get this fence put in, and then it'll just be a case of clearing all this and getting the black stuff out the shed, get that down, cut and fit it in, and we've got bark. Then this area will be done. So try and get as much as we can do. So I'll come back and keep you updated on what's happening. Hi everyone, back again. We've been putting some board fencing along here. Put the pond pump in. Here's a nice closer look. The pond pump in. Let's see. Another bamboo put in over there. So basically that's all we've really done today. Got another two bamboos to go there, but we're going to clear. But we're all constantly working in an area at a time. So tomorrow we're going to come down, get rid of this grass all along the side here. Then we're going to put the black down, try and bring it in around the pond, so it gives us a clear area. So all this grass and all that we'll get rid of. Got this to sort of finish off up there, this to clear, and this to clear. I've got my fingers around it. This to clear here. I'm waiting from Sutton Seeds for some what they call it, wildflowers, which are you use next to your pond. So I'm going to put them around here, and wildflowers that work in the shade to finish off all this. So what we're going to do is sort of not actually turn it over, but break the soil up, get rid of any weeds, and then spray it. And that's Robert messing about with my freaking new radio. So as I say, everything along here is the same. I think we've got 3 different areas in the garden now. This is sort of where this is going to be like the flower area and all that, and pond and we're sitting place. We've got bark and everything to go down here. Now when we move through here, this area is going from here, so this will be included in it. It'll be with vegetables, flowers there. Got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 of them. We've got strawberries up there. Have you watered your strawberries? Have you watered your strawberries? I do now. Right. There's supposed to be peas in there.
I don't think they do anything.
I don't know if they're doing anything. So I might have to clear that and have a look. We need to clear this soil, because what we can eventually do is put some more beds like that eventually in here, so we'll have a load of beds. Eventually the shed's going to come down, and that'll probably be coming down because the zip's on the way out, and we kind of complain. We've had nearly 4 years out of it.
Yeah.
4 years out of it, and it's 45 quid. We only expected a year out of it. So it's been a good buy. So if it has to come down, it has to come down. It's done a good job, but the zip's on the way out. So for the door, and we're all going to get a bigger polytunnel to go along there, and eventually I would like to get a proper greenhouse to go where the hut is. So, but all that's thingy. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to get some more black stuff and black coal when these water things are down, and I'm going to turn this all into. I'm going to put guttering along the fence. I'm going to turn that into a water area to collect the water. Fix the guttering back up. Actually, or make actually see if I can get some new guttering. Bring it across the top of the fence, drop it into one of them, and then it'll feed into the other ones. Put them up a height so that we can get into the taps, and that'll be so we've got the water. I don't know what Siri's asking for, but she's there. Right, okay, well, I'm not going to sign off because we're down tomorrow, and we'll show you what else we're doing tomorrow. So, catch you later. Hi everybody, it's Tuesday down allotment, and what we're doing is clearing all these grass bits off, so we're getting it ready so we can put the black stuff down. So using the hoe to get it, and we'll rake it up and then put it somewhere and try and get this area finished. We're going to try and get this area finished the day. So we've got the staple going, the black stuff to bring down, and then put the bark down. So hopefully we'll get that done. Maybe this morning, and then well, I've got some other things to put in, and then maybe I'm going to start and clear it in there now. Yeah. Clearing around there because I've got seeds coming soon. They've been dispatched, so I'm just waiting for them to come. So, I won't bother put their little bits down there. It'll get covered. It's along here because we've got to staple the thing to the fence. All along the fence needs clearing of grass. So I'll pop back once we start looking at putting the black stuff down and show you what we're going to do. Okay, we're getting this black stuff down, stapled to the fence and all that. We just got this bit to do, which you should bring it up to here, and then poor pond's got no water running at the moment because we're moving stuff. There's a bit, we've got some spare there, that's going in there. The spare that's going to go in here, we're going to put along there for now. So it's getting on. So we'll have wood dinner break now, and then I'll show you when it's finished, and then, as I say, then we'll get the bags of bark out and bark the area. I've got a feeling it's going to take the full 6 bags. So we'll have to wait and see. So okay, back soon. Okay, we'll put the ground cover down. Unfortunately, I got the wrong type of bark, so I've got to get some proper bark soon. But the bark's coming useful. Put it around the pond to mulch around the pond, and we've had that much of the stuff we've even been able to cover here as well. So we've covered here, so that'll keep the weeds down. We'll put some bark mulch along there, bark mulch in the apple tree. So even though I bought the wrong bark, but it has come in useful for stuff. So we even went all the way in with into a greenhouse with the black stuff, and all the way around up to here. So basically we've still got this to clear, and then I've got some I've got some seedlings to go in, which makes it a wild garden. So basically that's what our garden looks like now. Okay, I know it's a mess up there, but we've got another one of these big sheets what we're going to put up there, because eventually we're going to put a big polytunnel up there. So we've got another one of these big sheets to go down, so it'll kill everything underneath for it, so it'll be clear for when we do get a polytunnel. So we're just trying to make the garden as low maintenance as we keep the weeds down. But unfortunately, because I'm in a bad place for getting load bark delivered, I've got to buy it in bags, which works a little bit more expensive. But I reckon I'm going to need about 12 bags to do this. So all I can do is get them when I can. So, but it's making the place a little bit more smarter, and you know, eventually I'd love to bark all the way through, but that's going to cost a fortune. But as I say, pick up bits and pieces at a time. So I hope you've enjoyed watching these videos. We'll catch you again. I'm at work next week, so I'll probably not get down next week, but the week after I should, and maybe get some more done if the weather's like this. Try and get this soil into here. Well, by then I should be looking at getting plants started and all in the greenhouse.
Yeah.
And so start getting these beds so we're ready for planting. So right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time I'm on. So bye for now.